Juliana Kids Show. Good morning. Time to drink some warm water. My sweet little ones are sleeping. It's time to wake them up.
Hello?
Phew! Alpha! Yuck! Your teeth are so dirty. You must brush your teeth in the morning. We need toothpaste and a toothbrush. Now your teeth are sparkling clean.
Yay!
And now, time for breakfast. What did you do? Oh, no. You must behave at the table. Quick, go to your room right now.
Oh no!
Oh my, what a mess. We need to clean everything up. Oh, my little babies, I love you all, but you are so naughty. I am so tired. Circle! Triangle!
Yes!
Rectangle! Patty, a square is not a rectangle, but you are all doing a great job.
Oi!
Who is misbehaving here? Seth? No acting like that in class. Quiet down. Okay, now we are studying dinosaurs. Look, these are paws, and these are claws. Who isn't listening to my lesson? Patty, no phones allowed in school. And now, we are learning about oral hygiene, how to brush your teeth properly. You must brush your teeth every single day.
Oh no!
Oh no, What is this mess? Alpha, no setting things on fire at school. Calm down and control your emotions.
Okay.
Yellow, blue, red, green.
Yay!
All right, kids, no misbehaving in my lessons. You must listen to your teacher carefully and remember your lessons.
Uh-oh.
Where are all my dinosaurs? I have to find them all. Look, I found my magic wand. Yay! Wait, I hear a big dinosaur.
Uh-oh.
Where is he? Where is he? It's a Styracosaurus. He loves eating grass and plants. He is a herbivore. Wow, he is huge. He is 6 meters long and 3 meters tall. That's as big as a white rhino. It's a Tyrannosaurus Rex. He is a carnivore. He loves yummy meat. Let's trick him with a snack. Here you go. T-Rex is the king. He is even bigger than an African elephant. So big. It's a plesiosaur. He is a water dinosaur. He swims deep under the water. He is as big as a giant whale. Gotcha! I caught him. Who is making all that noise? It's a pteranodon. Look, he is a flying dinosaur. And he loves eating fish. Let's use some fresh fish to find him. Here. Catch it.
Yes! Okay.
Phew! Finally! All my dinosaurs are back together! Yay!
Wow!
Juliana, did you know? There are over 1 million kinds of bugs in the whole wide world. Look how beautiful they are.
Hello!
Hey, let's go pick some flowers for them.
Okay.
Yes, let's go!
Huh?
Oh no, Juliana! Where did all our bugs go? We forgot our magic wand.
Uh-oh.
Ah! We have to catch them all and bring them back. Where are they hiding? Wait, I see a dragonfly. Ah! Quick, catch it! Yes, we got the dragonfly.
Yay!
Uh-oh.
Ah! Run, run, run! It's a wasp. Hide behind the tree. Quick, catch it. Look, it's a giant ant. Let's catch him. And over there, I think I see a grasshopper. Yes, you're right. Get it, catch it.
Okay. Yes!
Oh, wow. Look at these gorgeous butterflies. They are so beautiful. Yes, we got them. But wait, where is the praying mantis? He's the only one left. Look, there he is.
Hello.
Yay, we caught them all. Hooray. Ooh, what's that? Look, it's a little house. And look, it's Poppy. Poppy, what happened?
We were dancing and hugging, and then, poof, a magic cloud appeared, and we landed here. To get home, we need to find 3 more trolls. Will you help me?
Poppy, of course. I'll find all the trolls and send you back home.
Okay.
I have a magic map to show where they are, but to see the map, we have to complete a challenge. Help me find them.
Don't worry, Poppy. I can do it. Come inside the house. Let's check the map. challenge. Which one of these is the sweetest? A banana, a strawberry, or a lemon?
Okay.
That's right! The banana! Oh, I see magic circles. There she is. It's Smidge. Smidge, what happened?
Juliana, you found me! We were in a magic cloud and then we all got scattered to this magical place.
Don't worry. Poppy and I found you. Come into the house. Let's go find the other trolls.
Yay!
Second challenge. We have to play a magic instrument. Guy Diamond. How did you get here?
Juliana, I'm so glad you're here. First there was a cloud, then this place, and then I forgot everything.
I'm going to save you and send you home.
Thank you, Juliana. You are the best.
Third challenge. Which one is a sports car? The red one. The white one. Or the blue one?
Okay.
The red one!
Yay!
Yay! There is Branch.
Yay!
Finally, you found me.
Branch! I found you too! I'm going to send everyone home.
Phew, I was so tired of waiting. I thought the Bergens were going to eat me.
Yay! We did it! Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time.